All right, so the Screencastify seems to be working pretty well, so I'm going to keep going with that for now in the Chromebooks. And I'm just going to go over some intro stuff to Google Classroom. So once you get your classroom created, you're going to want to do some stuff on there. So there's several things you can do on there. One of the things you can do is you can send messages out to the class. So there's four options up at the top. There's the stream, which is basically everything that's going on in your classroom. There's the classwork, which is where you're going to end up putting assignments. People will show you who is enlisted in your class, and then the grades, once you actually start marking stuff, will just show you what grade you've given to each of the students. So we're going to start with a little message to the class. This classroom Okay, so I'm going to post that message. That goes out to the whole class. So now if you want to add assignments, you go into the classwork option and you click on the create button. So to create assignments, there's a few options that you can do. You can put quizzes in here. You can create questions. The most common one that you're going to use is to create an assignment. And when you create an assignment, it allows you to give a name to the assignment, and then it allows you to add files either from your drive or from your computer that have to go with the assignment. And I'll go over a few of those options once I go through this. But first, we're just going to create an assignment, give it a title. Okay, so once I have that description in there, I'm not going to add anything to this one. I'll go over that in another video. So you can add a due date. You can say what you're marking it out of. You can add a topic. If you don't have a topic, you can create them. Okay, and there's going to be some differences between what you see and what your students see. So your view is a little bit different than the students. When the students get in there, they'll see the assignment. They'll see it in the stream just like you do. So this will now show up in. But when they go into it, they'll have a different window than you do. You're going to see everybody's work as they do it. When they log in, they're only going to see what they have done, of course. And they're going to have some options on there when they get in there. One of the things that they're going to see, and I may record this video, I may log in as a student afterwards, just show you kind of what they see. But they're going to have an add create button that's in there that allows them for each assignment to add files or create files, Google Drive based files like docs and slides and sheets and all those things that you can create within the GNESPES suite, or they can upload stuff if they're working on a computer at home, upload files from Microsoft Office or from other things, depending on what you're looking for them to be using. All right, so that's how you create your first assignment, how do you create an announcement, and we'll do some more as we go on.